Hi, this is a 2012 Dodge Caravan 3.6 liter engine. I'm going to replace the window regulator, driver side. It's pretty much same on the passenger and driver side front. Let me show you step by step. See this window, see in here, it's not reverse, it's not inside the groove anymore. First of all, I'm going to open this screw. See this screw, there's one in here, one in here, right there. There's a one right there. So to open this screw, see this is a T15. See this fit here. There's a connector. Let me take the connector off. Just push the tab in here. See right here. Push this and pull it. And there's a connector right here. You see the tab. Just push this tab and pull it. And come out. Take this off. Just pull it like this. See this clip. Just push it. This will come out. When you put it back, just push it back. To that, I'm gonna grab somewhere right here, or put this. If I can, a little bit of space and pull it. See this? Same thing outside. This whole thing came out. Later on, right here, just push it up. So this whole thing came out. So this for the lock. So with the little nose plier, just push right here. When you push two tab right here, you see this little, go push it like this. If you have somebody, just pull this out. So I cannot videos because I have to pull this. So this is the tab right here. You're gonna need to both sides to push it. You pull this like this, it will come out. Then easily take this off. Another connector right here. Just push the tab. It came out. See this tab right here, push, pull it. Another one right here, push the tab like this. I have to take all the ball right here, one there, one here. It's all around. There's a ball, just take the ball out. With the tape, just put the tape like this, so hold the window. So for the motor, see this motor, there's a 3 screw, one here, one there, another one is right there. The tool is, see, T30. We need to use it to T30 to open the motor, the screw. See this T30 will come, so 3 screw. With the T30, you can open that tab right here. This one, push it and pull it. So with T25, so we need to open the screw for a speaker. Take all the screw off with T25. There's a connector right here. Just push the tab, pull it to come out. So 4 ball for the regulator, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I take 4 ball out for the regulator. So after you open the 4 ball for the regulator fall down in here. See this? So basically just see, I have enough gap right here in the bottom. You can take this whole thing off, but you don't need to really. Just push. You see this? And pull this like this, one by one. You see this? All this wire is broke. And your motor sit in here. See this? It's 3 volt. Let me take the new one. This is the new regulator. So whatever the company you like, buy one up like this. So same way we take it off. The regulator, we're gonna fish through like this, right there. You have enough space. Look, just fish through there. So put the screwdriver right there and tap in here with the hammer. Don't worry, it's not gonna break. There's a little slot for to fit the screwdriver right there, and hit the hammer. So when you hit hard, then it separates like this. You see this? Very hard to show this. See this? This thing is go inside right here. It's from the back side like this. Come out. So after you put the window regulator, just see this regulator right there. Just match the hole. See this hole. Just put the screw, one in here, one in the bottom. So after you push this in, so you can tie couple bolts. I'm gonna pull it up, tie it up. I will tie couple bolts. This one is right there. So I tied all these bolts except this one, only one bolt I put regulator. Put this screw and that one with this. So I match this, and this one you have access right here. See, you can push this to match the hole right here, and you have access for this for the speaker hole. So to match this hole, I have to put the hand with the speaker hole and go all the way. Then go all the way hand, and then I pull this way. After that, this hole is matched. See, let me tie this. Or you can just hold with one hand, pull it and match the holes at the same time. You can tie it up. This, if you have 2%, that'll be okay. You pull it out and you can see this hole. Somebody tied this. So my 2 bolt is tied now, this one and the other one. I'm gonna put other side. So from this side, I didn't put this. See, no bolt. Still no bolt here and there. So first I'm gonna open the window. I'm gonna put this window motor. 3 screw. Make sure you see this one. Put this in, and put this screw with the motor. When you tight this, very careful. Don't over tight because the plastic thing is broke inside very easily. Just push the hand right there and pull it from there, and tight this little by little. After I put the motor, and I'm gonna tie this bolt, and this one is still loose. Tie it. So make sure you put all this connector back. So see this, I tied this bolt, and on the top too. So it's most important in here, when you tight the bottom bolt right there, you see the hole. This is the reason for to have hole. This board, like on the top, there's a pin like this, one pin. So the pin goes in here inside. Then you can match this hole. You'll feel when you put the hand. there's a valve of the ball. There is a pin, one plastic pin attached with this, so you figure it out. And after that, so his bolt, all this bolt is, you see, is attached, is tight. Then after that, I'm going to take the tab out and just push the glass into this here. Then it will come easily, go inside right there, and it will lock with this. When I take the tab off from here, it is automatically line up. On the other side too, should be line up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just holding here and just push it. Two hand, one in here, one on there. Just push it down. When you hear the click, like click noise, that means it's locked. Let me show you. See this? Is locked already, as well the other side. Now I'm gonna check the window is going up and down. You need to put this switch back. You don't have to put big one. And when you pull, watch. Check that a couple times. Make sure you put all this connection back. And there's a one trim right here. Don't forget to put that. Put this all connection back. And put this one. So put the speaker back. And all the screw for the speaker. And don't forget to put the speaker connection. So when you put this back, see this hole, this right there, like this. Pull it all the way into this, and just release it. That's it. See, it's locked. And then don't forget to put all this connection. And connection for the switch. Coming through this hole right there, and a little one right there. Don't forget to put this connection also. There is right here one connection right here. Don't forget to put that. So the green ones come through this small hole, and this one and that one come through the other hole. And this one is goes here, and switch. These are go inside, right there. And I see this thing. This thing make sure is match the hole right there. So when you push this, just push like this. You see, simply match this and just push it in. See, everything's even. And later I'm gonna put this back, this one back.